excessive messiness. Use your vac-use to deposit trash into incinerator. Complete. Incinerator room is clean. Vac-use can interact with any machine equipped with a power plunger. Observe the training minions for reference. Objective complete. Well done, minions. You are almost ready to go forth and oppress the Farpods. These creatures have been released from their pens. Collect them using your vac-use. Your vac-use can also be used to hurl fellow minions across great distances. Your vac-use contain a rechargeable nanotech dispersal unit. This enhances your ability to make fellow minions less dead. Be sure to use your vac-use quickly in order to restore a fellow minion's health. Well done, minions. Your training is now complete.
Don't worry, a galactic scout never leaves an ally behind.
Look, no more gold stars. Try putting that on the fridge. Attention, interlopers. Your gadget certification diplomas now bear the shameful mark of the frowny face. Feel the agonizing sting of disapproval.
Whoa! Check this place out. The gravity here's broken. Kronk! Zephyr! Man, it is good to see you guys.
It's good to see you too, kid. How's everything going with N-E-F-A?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
This doohickey is an Apogee Industries communication pod. We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me. Us. Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field.
We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us, we'll get you. In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions.
And we've set up a comm link with GromoNet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface.
Find a safe spot and hang tight, rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper. The GromoNet Arc Lasher is the most advanced kinetic energy whip on the market. A single flick of the whip stuns your enemies into submission.
Activating multiple whips will let out a blast of energy that stuns nearby foes.
I wouldn't stay here if I were you, misters. The gravity machines are pulling the planes apart. Follow me. I'll lead you out of here.
Welcome, Explorer. I am Dr. Frumpus Croyd, and you've discovered my secret weapons laboratory, ground zero for the Tharpod war against Nevo's collectors. Volunteers who complete my rigorous usability tests will be rewarded with bolts and access to my secret project codenamed Last Resort. Congratulations, test subjects. As a token of my appreciation, I would like to offer you a reward. Please be sure to get your frequent volunteer card punched on your way out.
gravity indexes all across your sector. Sweet criminy! That squeaky blue alien was right. An illegal gravity reflux generator. Take it down, rookies! A gravoid? I thought those things were indigenous to the Black Rock moons of Abaro. What are they doing all the way out here?
Someone must be using those darn gravity machines to simulate their natural habitat.
Through solar winds or supernovas, a galactic scout will... Hey! You made it! Come on! My village is just ahead. It's not much to look at. Our last village was a lot nicer. But you know what ran us out of the woods. I gotta go land my balloon. I'll be right back.
The Zoni Blaster, an extremely rare and mysterious weapon rumored to have been constructed in the halls of the Great Clock.
One pull of the trigger, and everything in its blast radius slows down. Amazing! If you're a no-good villain looking to keep a low profile, the cloaker is just the tool you need. It renders its operator completely invisible.
Now you can sneak past enemies or get the drop on them.
Just remember, Nefarious, we're watching you. If your Lombax in need of a distraction, try throwing out a customized doppelganger.
It'll draw fire from your enemies, giving you time to make your escape or plan your attack.
Initiating landing protocols. All cadets, clear the runway. Oh no! Graboid! I wasn't trained for this!
That Gravoid just kidnapped that little girl!
Come on! We gotta save her!
Look at that! It's an old-fashioned glob lobber. They fire out globs of viscous paste. The Agorians used to use those to anchor their warships in low gravity. Why are we out here looking for some pint-sized squish? We should be looking for a way home.
You've just completed another trial, and without any loss of limbs. Bravo, volunteers. You have much to be proud of.
Put me down, you stupid Gravoid! I'm a galactic scout! I have a gold arrow in interstellar bugology! Did you see that? That was so cool! That was amazing! Thanks! Come on! This way, Mr. President! Get down, mister!
We call it Ephemeris, the creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here, to our planet.
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that tyrant you saw in our village was its emissary, Commander Spock. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa, look. I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid, I'd love to help you and your dad, but my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem Phi. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
All right. So where do we find this Commander Spock?
Yeah, I'm not so big on the whole haunted forest thing.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
Wait a minute. Both of those are my things. Wait up!
Wait for me!
In the mood for extreme destruction? Try the Warmonger, a Terraclon rocket launcher with only one setting. Vaporize.
For added carnage, use multiple warmongers on the same target.